So the media is typically always a week behind when it comes to what's going on with mortgage rates, and they are at it yet again. And although I wish what they were saying was true, they just over exaggerate to get eyeballs. I've seen several articles that said mortgage rates plunge. Well, I don't know what your definition of plunge means. We did have a good week last week. As I stated, that was due to the Fed statement last Wednesday and the weaker jobs report that came out last Friday. And rates did come down, maybe 0.375 to maybe around zero point 0.5. So, around 3/8 to a half. And that brought rates typically from the eights down into the upper sevens or so, give or take a little bit. But I don't know if that's the definition of a plunge. But anyway, that's what the media is saying. And as I said, they're typically a week behind. So let me share with you what happened this week so that you're all caught up. So what you're looking at are mortgage-backed securities. These are mortgages that trade live in the bond market. And we're always looking for green candlesticks. As the bond market price goes up, rate comes down. And as you saw last week, we had a really nice rally in the bond market. Lots of big green candles. And we made up about a month and a half's worth of losses just in the last week or so. And as I said, rates came down maybe 0.375, 0.5, somewhere around that range. And you can see that was Friday. But look at this: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Here's a little bit of a downtrend. Again, we gave a little bit back. All right. Now, did mortgage rates rise significantly? No. We gave a little bit back, maybe an eighth of a point or whatnot. Who knows what the media is going to say next week? Maybe it's mortgage rates, are sky high again. Don't buy. Who knows? But anyway, this is a typical pattern where we do really well and then we give a little bit back, and we have to watch this closely. If this pattern consists and the bond market continues to go in this direction, well, then rates will continue to rise. If this can hold and we can find a new home in this area and stabilize, that will be good. And then as the economic indicators come out, inflation numbers and jobs reports and whatnot, and we get the favorable readings that we're looking for, well, then maybe we can continue in this uptrend that we had with mortgage-backed securities, and that would help lower mortgage rates. So that gives you an update. Not the end of the world here. As I said, we're giving a little bit back, but we're hanging tight in this range. And I hope these are helpful for you, and we'll catch you next week.